Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hayle Santella and I upload videos all about living a happy and healthy lifestyle. Today's video is an exciting one because I get to share with you the new 2022 Erin Condren LifePlanner. The Erin Condren 2021-2022 Life Planners are going to be released to insiders on Monday, May 3rd, and to the general public on Tuesday, May 4th. If you are wanting to sign up to become an insider and gain early access to the planners, make sure to go ahead and sign up with my link. It's haylesantella.com/Erin Condren. When you do that, you will also get a $10 coupon off your very first order, and then I will receive a $10 coupon as well. If you are watching this video on May 3rd or later and are interested in purchasing an Erin Condren planner, I do have a link in my description box that will take you directly to it. I do want to note that it is an affiliate link, so I will make a small commission off of it, just making sure that I add a note of transparency there. Alright, so I know you have been waiting for this video. We're going to go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to be doing an entire review of the new 2021-2022 Erin Condren Life Planner, and it's almost going to be a little bit of a first impressions video with you guys as well because I haven't opened the box yet. Alright, so similar to last year and the year before, the Life Planners come in a very pretty storage box. It has a light blue mid-century circles print on it. When you open it up, your planner is going to be wrapped in tissue paper. I don't know about you, but I love the fact that Erin Condren takes the care and the initiative of wrapping my planner in tissue paper and presenting it as the beautiful gift that it is. It makes getting a new planner very exciting and special. So we're gonna go ahead and pull off this tissue paper and pull out the planner. Now that storage box can be multi-purpose. You can go ahead and use it for other things. You can use it to keep your planner in throughout the year. I personally like to keep any loose leaf Erin Condren pages in there from any Franken planners that I've made, if I have extra pages or anything like that. Or if I'm doing the binder option and I have loose pages from that, I can go ahead and store them in my Erin Condren Life Planner storage box. All right, so I have my new 2022 Erin Condren Life Planner here with me, and I do have a new cover design on here, and this one is called Painted Stripes. So as you guys know, these covers are interchangeable, so I can go ahead and swap this cover out whenever I would like. But they have a ton of new cover designs to choose from this year, so don't hesitate to scope them out and figure out which one you prefer. As always, the planners come with a little bookmark, so you can go ahead and bookmark your page, no matter if it's bookmarking the week or the month or the notes in the back. You can go ahead and pull this off and use this as a bookmark. Another thing to note on my planner this year is that I went with a gold coil again. I really loved my gold coil from last year, so I decided to go ahead and do it again this year. Opening it up, we do have our little goodie bag in here. So there is a little welcome note from the Erin Condren team. There's some little gifts in here as well as coupon codes as well. On the inside, we do have a nice vellum cover here. For this planner that I chose specifically, it has no print on it. It's just a plain vellum. And as you can see here, I went ahead and chose the hourly layout again this year. If you've been following me for a while, then you know that I do love the hourly layout. It's my go-to, so I had to go ahead and pick it again this year. Now, this next page is really exciting because I get to share with you a brand new interior theme that Erin Condren has just come out with, and it is called Just My Type Colorful. Now, this design is all about typography and subtle uses of color. As we go through the planner, you will see that it is still a very slimmed down, simple, basic layout with not a ton of color, but just enough for those that wanted it. Really, this is appeasing the market that liked the neutral layout but wanted colorful tabs. That was a big ask of the audience that Erin Condren picked up on and acted on. This next page, we have the 2021-2022 calendar overview. So this is 18 months going from July 2021 to December of 2022. This is a really good area to mark down any holidays, events, your PTO, family birthdays, things like that. You can go ahead and use these pages for. It's a great reference throughout the year. Next up, we have what I call the goals page. So essentially this is 12 boxes that you can use for anything. I've done it where I've planned out big financial events that might be happening through the year. I know people use it to plan out different vacations that they might be going on or different goals. You could have a different goal theme for each box. Endless possibilities, really. Now we are on our very first monthly page, and you might notice that this page is pink and it's January. So what Erin Condren did is with the Just My Type Colorful, they went ahead and stuck with the primary Erin Condren colors, but just kind of swapped out when the colors were used on what months. So with January, you have that dark pink. And as you can see, there is going to be a different quote or different saying on every month page. So when we flip the page, we do get our monthly calendar. And as you can see, again, we're focusing on typography up here. And then there's not a lot of other designs on this page. So again, this is a very basic, simple layout, similar to the neutral layouts that they've had in the past, with just your subtle hints of color. Flipping the page, we do have this dashboard page that was introduced about 2 years ago now. So you do have a lined page here on the left, and then you have a couple of different boxes that you can use for various things on the right. So we have a bullet pointed list, a lined list, a blank box, and then a dot grid area down here on the bottom as well. So a lot of people use this area for goals, for tracking events, birthdays. Again, you have endless possibilities with this area. Now we're getting into the weekly layout, which I'm sure is what you guys are all dying to see. So again, I got the Just My Type colorful layout. So it has this very simple, clean lined weekly layout going from Monday to Sunday. The time slots go from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. and they do have a dotted line at the half hour if that's how you would like to plan. And as you guys can see, there's really no color on this page at all. It's black and white. Really the only color that you can see is from the tabs on the side. So I really like this layout because it's unintrusive. I'm able to go ahead and add color through my highlighters or my stickers, and that's what I really like about the Just My Type colorful layout. It allows me to have a neutral layout but still have some color. Some things to note on this is that we now have the month and year at the top of the page and then the calendar overview here at the bottom. So we do still have a lined column here on the side that you can use however you'd like. Just this calendar has shifted a little bit. So once we get through all of the months, we do have a notes tab down here on the bottom, and this takes us to a section where we have a couple of lined pages. So there are 5 lined pages in the notes section, and then right after the notes section, there is a tab for contacts, and this is a great place to record any contacts that you run into, any colleagues, your family emergency numbers, any kind of contacts that you need to keep here. This is a great space for it. It has 20 spaces to go ahead and put contact information down. You've got an area for their name and then 2 bullet points where you can put their phone number, email address, their physical address, whatever you need. Flipping the page, we do have our 2023 yearly overview. So again, this is just a calendar quick overview of the year 2023. Each calendar has a couple of bullet pointed spots underneath so you can take notes on anything that's coming up in the future. And then at the bottom, there's also a couple of lines as well so you can take additional notes there. After the 2023 overview, we're getting into the sticker pages. So with the Just My Type colorful, you are going to get colorful stickers in the back. And you have 4 pages of stickers, very similar to the ones they had last year. And then new this year, so all Erin Condren planners have a pocket in the back so you can go ahead and store any papers or notes or stickers that you might have that you want to stash back there. And in all of the planners, Erin Condren has included an extra page of holidays that you might want to include in your planner. So you can go ahead and add in the holidays that are important to you that you would like to keep track of, and they're just back here in this pocket. On the other side of the pocket, you will find your Perpetual Calendar. So this is a little mini calendar that you can go ahead and take out. So in here, there is a line for every single day of the year. There's 365 slots that you can write down someone's birthday, a wedding, an anniversary. And then in the very back, they do have a list of holidays and important events that you might want to keep track of, just so that you have them in here as well. And the great thing about this perpetual calendar is that because they're not associated with specific days of the week, like Monday through Friday, you can go ahead and keep track of certain birthdays or events in this and move this from your planner year after year. That's why it's called the perpetual calendar, because it's the same every year. So you get this for free in the back of your planner in another pocket. And then after that, you just have your back cover. And that is the Erin Condren 2022 Life Planner. As you guys can see, I have a 12-month here with me. So this is a January through December of 2022. It is quite thick. That's one thing to note about Erin Condren planners, is that they do have really nice, luxurious paper. It's something that they're very proud of, and it makes their planners unique. And that is why these planners are so special, is because they have such high quality paper, but that does make them a little thicker. So that's something to consider if you're wanting one of these planners, especially if you're wanting to go with an 18-month planner. It's going to be even thicker than the one that I have here. All right, so that is my quick review of the 2022 Erin Condren Life Planner. That is the one that I picked out for myself for this year. I am going to be reviewing a couple of the other planners in the coming weeks, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss out on those videos. I do have another video coming up in the next couple of days that's going to walk you through exactly how to customize and pick out your life planner, so you know exactly what your options are and how you go through the process of customizing your planner. So make sure to watch out for that one in the next couple of days. Other than that, I think that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to let me know down in the comments. Give this video a big thumbs up. And then if you know of anybody that would like to watch this video or any of my other videos, make sure to go ahead and share my channel with them so they can find me. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.